Thank
Be in the State House visiting President Tinubu. What do we know about your visit?
you. Well, the president is the president of Nigeria, not the president of APC, and we're talking about governance here. So I came to um, uh, discuss with the president on some governance issues, basically.
Actually, I didn't talk about political party, but since you've mentioned it, recently we've listened to some of your comments in the media, and now with your visit to the president, are we saying that we have a better harmonious relationship with the APC now?
No, there's nothing that I've said in the past that says we're not enjoying harmonious relationship. You know, politics is politics. We belong to different political parties, and uh, uh, but Nigeria is a project that, you know, all Nigerians must be concerned about. Welfare of our people. What are the governance issues? This issue of insecurity, um, uh, poverty alleviation. I mean, there are things that has no coloration of a party as leaders. You know, whether president or governor of a state. Those are things that we have to work together, consult with one another, and ensure that we can make life one shade better for our people.
Sure, Your Excellency. But recently, some of your colleagues in the PDP have moved on to the other party, which is APC. Are you considering this at all?
No, no, no. No, I'm comfortable in the PDP. And again, we may have issues in this country where you need bipartisan approach, where it won't be an issue of maybe APC talking alone or PDP talking alone, where we will have to look at what is the best foot forward, you know, in the interest of our nation. So when you get to that junction, you need everybody on board.
Thank you, Your Excellency.
Thank you, sir. Yes.